Have you often thought about how nice it would be to have a hot tub or small pool? Then you let the idea go because you figured the cost was way above what you could afford. If you can give me a minute or two of your time, I'll show you how to get what you want at a cost you can afford. How, you ask? What if I can show you how to build your own spa, hot tub, or small pool yourself? It's not as hard to do as you might imagine. Custom-built spas will coach you through building your own spa, hot tub, swim spa, or small pool from start to finish, and this help is free. First, get Gene's award-winning information and instruction package of videos and ebooks. You get access to 2 videos, 6 highly detailed instructional guides, plus you can access 2 free bonus ebooks. This information is the gold standard of DIY information for these type projects. Lastly, he gives you free coaching help from the beginning to the end of your project. Visit Custom Built Spas today. Read some of Gene's customer testimonials, then view some of the awesome DIY customer projects in his website gallery. Visit www.custombuiltspas.com.